Good morning, students. I am Professor Jirwadi, Assistant Professor, KKO College of Agriculture Engineering and Technology, Nashik. So today we are going to study of hair screen grain cleaner. Okay. So this is the basic cleaner in most seed processing plant. Almost all seed must be cleaned by air screen machines before the specific separations can be attempted. Okay. The air screen machine three cleaning elements generally used for separation of seed on the basis of size and weight. First is aspiration, in which light material is removed from the good seed mass. Then scalping, in which large material is drained over the screens and carried out to different spots, but good seed drops to the screens openings into second screens. Second screen is grading screens. The grading is in which good seed ride over the screens and carried out to different spots, but small contaminants drop to the screens. Okay. The number of parts of a screen machines like feed offer, then screens, fans, air chest, then brushes, tappers or knockers, shoes, eccentrics. Okay, so these are number of parts of a screen machines. Number of adjustment as for the parts of machines. The most important adjustment in a screen machine is screen selection. Okay, so generally a screen machines available in market from a small model to up to large model of air screens. Okay, so generally 2 to 4 screens generally used for small quantity of processing, but as for the commercial use, the generally 5 to 6 screen type air screen machine use in generally processing industries. Okay, for increase the capacity of seed processing. Okay, so as for the this is the first is scalping screens, second is grading screen. Okay, means at the time of feed offer means mixture of seed fed into the seed. Okay, that time light materials firstly removed from the good seed before the seed reach the first screens by upper air system. Okay, the generally air screen machine has two air systems, that are upper air system and lower air system. The upper air system removes light materials from the seed mass before the seed reaches the first screens. Okay, in first screen generally large matter is written over the screens and carried out to discharge spots, but the good seed or other small contaminants drops to the screen openings into second screen. The second screen is grading screens. The mean generally good seed ride means written over the screens and small contaminants drop to the screen openings. Okay, the good seed ride over the screens and carry down to discharge spots. Okay, also not perfectly means not remaining fine particles removed by lower air system. Okay, means not completely removed by upper air system. So that time lower air system remove these light materials from the good seed. Okay, at the top section this is the dust collector. Number of loads provided for, this is the upper air system provided in air screen machines to remove the light materials from the good seed mass. Okay, the feed offer, the feed offer generally receiving a seed from elevator or other sources for cleaning of seed. Okay, the feed offer used for feeding the seed into the machine at control rate or uniform or even flow of seed into the machines by using sliding gates. Okay, to control the flow of seed into the machine by using sliding gates provided in at the bottom of feed offer. Okay, the several types of feed offer used in ice cream machine. First is roll feed hopper, then second is roll feed brush hopper, and third is metering hoppers. The roll feed hopper we generally use where little quantity of trash mix in seed. Okay, means very little trash. That time recommended roll feed hopper. Then roll feed brush hopper means can handle large trashy seeds. Okay, in metering hoppers almost all kind of seed must be clean by metering hoppers. Okay, means generally use all kinds of seed. The metering hopper mostly used in air screen machines. Then screens. The screens perform both operations like scalping and grading. Okay, so generally two types of screens used in a screen machine. First is performator screens and second is one-wire mesh screens. The openings of performator screens like oblong shape, round shape, or triangular shape. But in one-wire mesh screens, screen openings such as square shape or rectangular shape. Okay, जर बघितलं आपण the performator screens for air screen machines, so that time screen openings generally oblong shape, triangular shape and राऊंड सेफ ओके. तर तेच आपण होणार मेश स्क्रीन्समध्ये जर बघितलं तर जनरली अवेलेबल मीन्स स्क्रीन ओपनिंग्स स्क्वेअर सेफ अँड रेक्टँग्युलर सेफ ओके. Then brushes. The brushes generally used under the screens. Okay, means back and forth actions underneath the screens to keep the screen openings clean. Okay, means generally perforation openings directly depend on efficiency of the machines. Okay, जर तुमचे परफोरेशन ओपनिंग जर क्लीन असतील okay, the cleaning efficiency means constant. Okay, the chalking the seed into the screens. Okay, so that time efficiency is reduced. So that time brush is important in a screen machines to clean the portion opening of screens. Okay, so tappers or knockers similar as a brushes means generally upper screen of the screen machines install tappers or knockers means tapping system is generally done to keep the screens clean. Okay, then shoes. The shoe is a eccentric, generally essential part of the machine. It is an vibrating or shaking part of the machines into which the screens are placed. ओके, तर जे स्क्रीन्स असतात ते आपण ते इन्स्टॉल करतो तो जो पार्ट असतो जनरली शू. ओके, तर when two shoe machines, okay, so that time one shoe counteract movement of one shoe counteract with another shoe. Okay, means that time generally we form safe. Okay, in the machines. Also, eccentric is one of the important part of the ice cream machine. Eccentric is off-center drives to shake the shoes. Okay. Then fans, one or more fans installed in ice cream machines. The two fan systems, that are upper air system and lower system. Upper air system remove the light material from the seed mass before the seed reaches the first screens, and lower air system remaining fine materials removed from the seed mass means not completely removed by upper air system. That time lower air system removes the light materials. Okay, and then air chest. The air chest is a passage connect the fans to dust collectors. Okay, means generally remove the means generally fans suck the light materials and and carry it out into discharge force through air chest. Okay, means generally air passage. Okay, the number of adjustment air screen machines, rate of feed, screen selection is the most important adjustment in air screen machines. Okay, means as per the round seed, lane shape seeds, oblong shape seeds. जर आपल्याला राऊंड शेप सीड्स जर सेपरेट करायचे असेल तर त्या टायमाला आपल्याला स्क्रीन्स कुठले सिलेक्ट करावे लागतील. जनरली राऊंड शेप सीड जर सेपरेट करायचे असेल तर दॅट टाइम टू स्क्रीन्स यूज. टॉप स्क्रीन इज राऊंड. ओके, and bottom screen is slotted hole type screen used in air screen machines for separation of round seed. Then oblong shape seed separate by using two screens, top screen oblong and also bottom screen is oblong shape. Okay, generally in lens shape seeds, okay, that time two screens is use select first is round shape. Okay, screens used for separation of lens shape seeds. Okay, thank you students.